Hi gang, welcome back to Timbertown. Hey, today Jason and I are actually assembling some parts for the Sugar Shack that we're building for the charity giveaway for the Paul Bunyan show. And we've actually already assembled the vents for the top of the cupola. And today we're going to show you how to make the roof structure that's going to happen. So really guys, I just came over, gave myself a test, and I always make a template, fellas, a little bit, to make sure that this thing is gonna fit perfect. So that's how this actually roof structure is gonna fit. Naturally, it's going to be like this, but it's the same scenario here. So now I've made this into two pieces now. And this is actually the material that we have up on our sawmill today of what we're going to actually make these rafters out. So you see these are a lot thicker. This is a lot easier to work with. So now really what we have to do is just make the pieces. Now I have one here. This is the piece that's actually going to get the tenon put in, where this is going to get the mortise to it. So this whole thing should fit together like that. And that's what we're doing. So now I'm actually looking at my stock material that I have going on here. And I'm always going to use this the same way. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to cut my pieces out. I'm going to try to place any knots where they're not going to be in any joints, or if we could just cut them out. So that's really all we have to do, is really get our pieces centered, scribe everything. We'll cut them into the little bit of pieces that we have. We'll show you how we make the tenons. We'll show you how we make the mortise. Then I'll show you how that we actually join everything and assemble it. So that's what we have for you guys today. We're gonna get into cutting. Let's cut it. Okay guys, as we've been cutting the pieces and stuff like that, I've lined them up. Jason's been over here taking care of them, putting in all of our mortise cuts that need to be done here. So as we're making pieces one by one, we're actually also fitting the rafters together before we drill. So that's how that whole system is gonna look. We're gonna put a couple pegs in there. But you see, we've got using our sawmill as our workbench. So it's not just a sawmill, it's a workbench. We've got pieces ready to be cut to make the mortises, and then Jay could do all the finishing while I'm actually cutting and sizing the last pieces. So with this giant work table that we get to work with, and we're building such small pieces, this kind of makes it easy. Put some blocks under here to hold everything. And really, I'm just gonna riz down here, and you're able to cut multiple cuts with just one board instead of individually.
Makes a great work table.
It does. So I'm even getting prepped to have the bird's mouth where the rafters are gonna sit. So while everything's up here, nice and stable, it's easy for me to make all my cuts, all my pieces. Pinching a little. And another bird's mouth, guys. So really, that's how simple that'll help you make a bunch of joints here all at once. And then we'll get to cutting, fitting them, and we're done.
Looks good.
It looks good. Let's cut some stuff, Jay. Okay guys, so now we're actually making our tenons using the sawmill here and our laser. And all I had to do was actually just modify, because this is a different pitch than what I normally use for my knee braces. Piece of cake, lined it up, screwed in a board. You could do any angle you want. So Jay, I need you to come up 2 clicks, buddy.
6 up? That's 2.
Give me one more.
One more click.
There it is.
Ready to roll?
Let's have it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. You can come on down, buddy. You can come on down. Up. Hey, one down, two down. Right there, buddy. That was a hard lineup, fellas. You got the Japanese saw, Jay?
Right here.
Yeah. Knock it off, saw.
That one's off. I just
That one's
get
off.
it out of here.
That's just clonk them. That's it, guys. You see how the tenon's made.
Yeah, just need a little pack on that thing.
Quick love, quick love. It's actually right here.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Give it a look. Try it from your
It's
side
this
there.
way. There it is, fellas. Let's pop this off. We have one more we can do, Jay.
Get that over there.
So that's it, guys. One off, one on. You're pretty aggressive throwing that piece, Jay.
Just getting the wiggies
Little
out.
to me,
A little bit to you.
a little bit to me. All right, there you
I
go.
like the modification. I didn't even see that.
You see the
I like
modification?
the modification.
Different
Oh,
angle.
I got a marking on this one. I didn't have end marks on the other ones.
Yo. Actually down. Right there.
Okay, cutting.
Cutting. Go. One click up. There you go. There's the end of our pieces, fellas. You see how tight that is? Perfect. Perfect, Jay.
We'll work that out for good. All right.
All right, so that was the last pieces we need to saw. We're gonna be just sanding, getting all the ends ready, fitting, pegging. Done. So we'll catch back up with you guys. We good, Jason?
Oh, good, man.
This looks pretty smooth.
That's pretty smooth.
Does look pretty smooth. Okay, guys. Here is actually the assembled rafter. And we've actually already pinned these. And I actually apologize that we didn't get to show you us drilling these particular beams. But it was 94 degrees yesterday, 110% humidity, and a storm was bearing down on us. So Jason and I just got this done. So after you got your joints together, guys, we really just put a clamp here, hold everything tight, check our measurements, drill our holes. That's it, assembled. You see, we've got them all. So that's for the cupola, the rafters, for all of the cupola that we have, which is actually going to be 14 foot long. So if you want to see how we actually join these, join us over at the Paul Bunyan Show. We'll go live and I'll actually cut and assemble those joints for the big daddy rafters, not just these little ones. We got some bigger ones going on. So guys, thanks for watching. I really, really appreciate it.
Check us out.
Check this out.
These are beefy. These are 6x8s, right? Yeah, that's 6
They
by
are
eight.
6
They
by
really
8,
are.
Jay.
They definitely look chunky.
These are beefy rafters.
They are beefy little rafters.